So these first ones, they wrote out the proportion for you. They got it started for you. You just got to put in the missing number. So in 13, 20 is the geometric mean, which means it's got to be in the proportion twice. So when you write it down, it would be written like this. 20 goes in there twice. They already have it there. The other two numbers are x and 12. And then we got to solve it. So it's just 20 times 20 divided by 12. 33.3 repeating.
I hear brothers. About hard.
So for number 14, x is the geometric mean, so it's got to go in there twice. And when it's the middle, you put in this piece 4 and this piece 9. So when you solve this, it would be x times x is x squared equals 9 times 4 is 36. So when you square root it, x is 6. This is the geometric mean, so it goes in there twice, which they already have it. And when it's one of these outside legs, you put the part hook to it, and then the entire length, which is 5. So when you solve this, x times x is x squared equals 5 times 3, which is 15. So you square root it.
3.9.
Yep, 3.9. So, they're all done like this, where you got to write a proportion. But we skip up to 19 now. So these are the same thing. They didn't label where the x is, though. Here it tells you to find dB, so that's the x right there. So when you're doing that, 12 goes in twice. When it's the middle thing, you put each part on there, 16 and x. So you get x is 9. Okay. So the next one they want HF, which is this piece. So this is the geometric mean. So you put that in twice. And when it's the outside leg, you put the piece hook to it, which is x, over the entire length, which is 25. Now I just want to point out a couple things when you get down to these down here where the X is. Here, this would be a two-step one. Well, no, it wouldn't be. 5 is the geometric mean, but if this is 7, this is m minus 7. So those are the two numbers that go in there. So that one you're going to have to write an equation to solve. Here when you find x, y, and z, what you got to do here first is find c using 14, c and 16. Once you know c, you can figure out d, because like if this is 12, that's 4. And then once you know these two, you can find that one. Okay, same thing here. First you got to find x. Once you find x, you can find z, and then you can find y. 30, I want to show you a shortcut. Instead of putting in x plus 9, and then 8 and 18, do it this way. Just call it y, 8 and 18. So you cross multiply. No, it'd be, remember, y squared equals whatever that is, so you got to square root it. That'll give you the whole length. So then you just subtract off 9 to figure out what x is. That's the easier way to do it.